Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's have a little fun here. Let's draw my version of Sonic for Among Us. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this little drawing, and here's my sketch underneath. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in the visor area first. So I'm just going to draw in one little bracket like this, very similar to the other Among Us characters. And then this one's going to slant down a little bit more on the tip right here. So I'm going to curve down, close off the bottom, so it's a little bit sharper here. Okay, so slightly slanting down. And then from here, we're going to draw in the, the mouth area. Come to the side right here. Just draw a bracket like this first. And now we're gonna go all the way around. This will be the snout, the bottom of the snout. So right around here, and then right here, we'll just draw in his nose. So just a little egg shape, and then let me add a circle, and then I'll just shade around it. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the mouth. So just come to the side again. Just draw a smaller bracket, and then this time we'll give him a slight smile. And that's gonna be pretty much it for the facial features. So now let's draw in the little spikes on the hair. So I'm gonna start right here. Just curve up. And then now I'm gonna draw in a bigger curve, go all the way back. So again, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have one big curve going back. Okay, so we're gonna come right around here. Okay, just go up, make a little point. And then from this point here, just go from the tip and connect to that point. So that'll give us one big strand. And then now we're gonna draw one more. I'm gonna start right here, connect to that, and then just keep going. Go all the way out, come down, and then let's come back to the head. So we're right around here. Okay, there's one more, but the hand's gonna be in the front, so let's draw in that one later. So let's come back here and finish up this part. So I'm gonna draw one more. So just curve up and then come back down. All right, so from here we're gonna draw in his hand, one of his hands right here. So right underneath this and to the side of the mouth, you can draw a little bracket like this first. And then for his thumb, just continue this, just curve up. And then on the top, just curve all the way around, come back in and just connect to the thumb. So now I'm gonna draw one more curve inside just to divide up the fingers. Okay, so now we have two. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and finish up the spikes in the back. So it's gonna go right behind the hand right there. Okay, so that's the top, and let's continue on with the body right here. So coming down right here on this spot, I'm gonna draw one big curve. All right, so that's gonna be the tummy area, and then let's come back underneath the hand right here. It's one little line. So his leg's gonna start right around here. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw in the leg. Let's start on the bottom side first. Just curve past this. And then now we'll come out slightly and then just close it off. Okay, and then for the shoes, that's the back, and then for the front here, start on the corner, just one big curve. Now we just connect this. Just give it a slight curve. Okay, so let's draw on the other leg. So I'm gonna come right around here, this point, curve, come all the way down here, slight curve, same thing, and then we'll just close this off. And then now for his shoes, let's draw on the back again. For the tip, slight curve going out, and then on the bottom, just give it a slight curve going this way. Okay, since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up the details on the shoe. Just gonna add in one little line there. So this part's easy. And then it's got a little stripe right here. So just draw two lines in the middle. And this one's gonna be curving slightly. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the hand on this side. So right here underneath the nose, just draw a little egg shape. That's gonna be his thumb. On this side right here, curve down and just connect to the body. Okay, and then on this side right here, just go into the body as well. And then now for the other fingers, curve. Let's draw one curve right here. Okay, so lastly, one more detail on the tummy right here. Let's start on the bottom right here. That little corner, we're gonna curve all the way up. You can make a little point right here. We'll just curve up. And then now we'll continue this. Just go out all the way to the side. Alright, so that is it for this my little Sonic for Among Us. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.